Hi guys, my name is Artricia and I'm with Affinity Real Estate and Mortgage. And we provide free training videos here for individuals seeking to obtain their NMLS Mortgage Loan Originator license. If you'd like to be notified when a new training video is available, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Okay, let's jump into today's training.
So let's talk about the right to rescission. TILA is the law that establishes the rules and regulations as it relates to a borrower's right to rescind, to change their mind. And the right to rescission is an option on certain types of transactions. If it's a HELOC or a refinance and the borrower's primary residence, even though the borrower signed loan docs, they have a 3-day right to rescind. So I'm going to say that again. If it's a HELOC, home equity line of credit, refinance, and it's their primary residence, the borrower has a 3-day right to rescind, a 3-day right to change their mind, even if they've signed the loan documents. So the right to rescind applies to credit transactions involving establishments of a security instrument in a principal residence, such as a refinance or a HELOC. The right to rescind does not apply to purchases, construction loans, loans on vacation or second home. So those types of transactions that are purchases have a 0 right to rescind. Construction loans, second home, vacation homes, they have a 0 right to rescind. The right to rescind applies to HELOCs, refinances, and if it's their primary residence. A borrower who has a purchase, construction loan, commercial loan, second home, they do not have a right to rescind. Once they sign it, they actually own it. Now, in the right to rescission, TILA allows borrowers the right to cancel certain transactions. Rescind simply means to take back or withdraw the offer or contract. Creditors must inform borrowers of their right to rescind by giving them 2 copies of the right to rescind to each of the clients that signed the document. So if there's 3 people buying the house together, all 3 must receive 2 copies of the right to rescind. If multiple borrowers are on the loan, it only takes 1 to rescind. So although there may be 2, 3, 4 people on the loan, if 1 changes their mind, the loan is dead for all. They have to start over. It only takes 1 borrower to rescind. And if any money was collected, escrow has 20 days to refund any fees that was collected if the borrower decides to rescind. They have 20 days to return any money that was collected if the borrower decides to rescind. In looking at the 3-day right of rescission, make sure that you understand that the day of signing is not day 1. The day that they sign is not day 1. It's the next day. Therefore, if rescission happens on a Monday, the day 1 would actually be Tuesday, and the 3-day rescission period will be up at midnight on Thursday. Not just Thursday, midnight on Thursday. So my point is, the day that they sign is not day 1. Day 1 is the day after they sign. And then you have 3 days. For example, if they signed their docs or they signed on Monday, then day 1 is Tuesday. Day 2 is Wednesday, day 3 is Thursday, and the rescission period is up at midnight on day 3. It's also important to note that consumers may have a right to extend their rescission period up to 3 years in certain situations. For example, if the creditor failed to properly notify the borrower of their right to rescind, then they have up to 3 years to change their mind. What does that mean? What if they didn't give them the notice to 2 copies of the right to rescind? That means that they were not properly notified of their right to rescind, and the rescission period can be extended for up to 3 years. Another way that this can happen is if the creditor doesn't provide the consumer with the required materials, the paperwork. They never gave them any of the notices for them to take home. The rescission period can be extended.
I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to make sure that you receive more videos and more training on becoming a mortgage loan originator, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we have new training videos available. You can always also go to our website, www.mlotrainingacademy.com. That's www.mlotrainingacademy.com, or give us a call at 800-991-6097. That's 1-800-991-6097. Feel free to leave any comments about any other topics that you'd like to see on our YouTube channel.
For up to 3 years.